Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for north central York County in south central Pennsylvania until 1:45 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Manchester, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Valley Green around 1:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bildsboro, York Haven, and Newburytown. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 25 to 34. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 4:15 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Fort Smallwood State Park, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and waterspouts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, North Point State Park, Pools Island, Hart Miller Island, and Gunpowder River. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 7 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a gust front was located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles northwest of Tidal Basin to 14 nautical miles west of Key Bridge to 20 nautical miles northwest of Mason Neck State Park, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Key Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles south of Fairview Beach to 13 nautical miles southwest of Colonial Beach to 20 nautical miles south of Potomac Creek, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yoko Mika River, Breton Bay, St. Clement Bay, Piney Point, Carp Island, Tall Timbers, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Coles Point, United States. 3019 Memorial Bridge, St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Oaks Creek, and Westmoreland State Park. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.